ഹലോ, നിങ്ങൾ സി-ടെറ്റിന് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്നവരാണെങ്കിൽ ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്കുള്ളതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ചൈൽഡ് ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റ് ആൻഡ് പെഡഗോഗിയിലെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ചാപ്റ്ററായ ഗ്രോത്ത് ആൻഡ് ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഭാഗമാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, വാട്ട് ഈസ് ഗ്രോത്ത്? ഗ്രോത്ത് ഈസ് ദ പ്രോഗ്രസീവ് ഇൻക്രീസ് ഇൻ ദ സൈസ് ഓഫ് എ ചൈൽഡ് ഓർ പാർട്സ് ഓഫ് എ ചൈൽഡ്. The increasing of an organ or limb of the baby in size and weight is growth. What is development? Development is progressive acquisition of various skills such as speaking, learning, expressing the feelings and relating with other people. Growth and development go together but at different rates. Okay, next we will discuss about what are the differences between growth and development. Growth is indicative, development is indicative. Well, development is not indicative. Growth is quantitative progress and development is qualitative progress. Growth is physical change and development is psychological change. Growth is external in nature and development is internal in nature. Okay, growth stops at certain stage and development is continuous process. Growth is physical progress and development is cognitive progress. Next we will discuss about the principles of child development. What are the principles of child development? First one, cephalocaudal. What is cephalocaudal? Development proceeds from the head downwards, that is called cephalocaudal. Development proceeds from the center of the body outwards, that is called proximodorsal. Okay, next, development depends on maturation and learning. Next one, development proceeds from simple to more complex. Growth and development is a continuous process. Next one, growth and development proceeds from the general to specific. What are the factors affecting growth and development? What are the factors? Genetic factors and environmental factors. Next we will discuss about dimension or areas of child development. Dimension: physical development, intellectual development, social development, emotional development and moral development. Physical development means size, shape and physical maturity of the body. Changes in size, shape and maturity of the body. Intellectual or cognitive means the ability to reason, problem solve and organize ideas. Social development means knowledge and skills needed to interact successfully with others or in society. Emotional development, feelings and emotional responses to